In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change Instagram bio font. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on the option Edit Profile. Navigate to the option Bio. Copy your bio. Then you can close this and launch your preferred browser. Now you'll need to head towards this one website. Once you're in this website, here you're going to find different section. Head over to the section Instagram Funds. Click on that. Now here you're going to find different category. Choose the category. Then here you're going to find this text box. Here you'll need to paste your copied bio. In this way, select the category. Under category, you're going to find different option. Go through the options and select the one that you want to set as your bio. All you have to do is click on the option copy. So I'm going to select the category aesthetic. Under that, I'm going to select cursive. I'm going to copy it. Then you can head towards the bio page, paste that, and you can see that font has been changed. So this is how you can easily change Instagram bio font. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.